Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are diving into something super exciting, the Batman animated series from Hotwheels. So before we get into the details, let's unbox this. Here it comes. It's a sleek, matte black car with a yellow pinstriping on the hood and fenders. It can be seen Hot Wheels logo on top. Such a cool looking Batman diecast car. Holding it feels amazing. So if you're a Batman fan, this one definitely deserves a spot in your collection, just like it's going into mine. And guess what? There is a new cartoon series playing in Amazon Prime called Batman Cape Crusader. It's been a blast so far. The series is full of action with fights, chases, and stunts. And it also features Batman famous gadgets and clothes, which is sure to please all the Batman fans out there. Well, that's all for today. Let me know your thoughts about the diecast car and the new series. If you haven't watched it yet, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.